Please prepare a pair of scissors and hooks before installation. Front car seat covers installation. Step 1. Put the seat cover over the headrest and pull it over the back and bottom of the car seat. Step 2. Push the foam bar inside the seat cover into the back of the car seat. Step 3. Attach the elastic hooks on both sides to the grommets on the foam bar on the back of the car seat. Back car seat covers installation. Step 1. Put the seat cover with 2 holes on the bottom cushion. Take the bottom cushion off, pass the rope through the elastic loop and tie. Step 2. Detach headrests. Slide off the safety belt and put the back seat cover on as above. Step 3. Use scissors to cut holes for the safety belt and headrest respectively, then put the headrest back on. That's it.